How to turn off page mention notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page mention notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click the storylines in the top corner and scroll down until you find here this one, pages, and now select your page and then just click this settings icon in the top corner and select notifications and click on Facebook and then just click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.